In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a custom button that will help your end users have a better life in Salesforce. You will need a screen flow and also build a custom action. The use case for today's video is that sales requested an easier way to input the description into the opportunity record. So the best way is creating this button. Let's see how that's done. First, you're going to create a screen flow with 3 elements. But before I explain these 3 elements, please pay attention to this. You need to create a variable called record ID. So record ID, exactly as it is in here. That's going to be a text variable, which is going to be available for input. The reason why it needs to be record ID is later when we created the button, we need this specific text here, because Salesforce will understand this is a variable where it can include the opportunity ID automatically. So because it needs to have be available for input, you need to check the box here. Yeah, and then next, move forward with a get record element where you're gonna store all the opportunity data. So the object's opportunity ID equals the record ID, that variable we just created, and get only the first record and store all fields. Or you can store just the description field to be used later. Second element of the day is screen, where we're gonna ask the user to input the new description. So for that, you're gonna use a text component where you don't need to, you can hide the header, but you need to require this text field. And also make sure you input the get opportunity description in as a default value, because that will help users to know what's already inside the description field that they are gonna edit. And once that's done, you can save it. And then the last element of the day is update the opportunity. So use the update records element, where you're gonna search for the opportunity, use an opportunity object, filter by ID, and you can use the record ID again here. And now you're gonna update the description. So choose the description field and include the value of that screen component. I name it please update description. Once all is done, you can save and move forward to the opportunity object manager. In here, you click buttons, links, and actions, and we're gonna create a new action. So creating a new action will require you to choose a flow, then choose the opportunity update description screen flow you just created. Use a label, so update description, and hit save. Once that's done, you go back to your opportunity record page and choose a new action next to the existing buttons that are already here. So when choosing the action, we have the update description we just created, and click done. Place whatever you feel it's best placed. Save. Once it's saved, refresh your opportunity page and it populates right here. You can click on it and it brings the existing value at the description field. But then you can actually change it to be something else. Testing. Once it's saved, you see that the description field is updated. Well, with that, we're done with the button, but remember, you can include any type of screen flow. This was a very simple example, but if you need something else, create a new record, do more updates to more fields. A lot of people use to include bent fields or whatever it's needed, or create a new POC record. There are many use cases, they are infinite. So this is a quick example of how to build a button, and it only works for the Lightning pages. I'm gonna produce a new video with a different way for classic version of Salesforce, but that's coming in the next weeks. I hope you like and subscribe for more Leanscale technical videos. Thank you.